Hello crafters, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is about how to create these beautiful Christmas ornaments using shaker technique and with the quilling decoration. So I will show you transparent shaker and the opaque shaker procedure. For this we need some quilling strips, some micro bead pearls, sequences, some shimmer powder or glitter powder, some snowflake punches, any ribbon or dory to hang the ornaments, quilling tool, liquid glue, scissor, golden and silver mirror cardstocks, acetate sheet and white color thick sheet. First, I have created some rings using golden mirror cardstock, white color sheet, we need total 5 rings of white color sheet, and the diameter of this ring is approx 8 cm and inner circle diameter is 5.5 cm. And also I have created 2 acetate sheet circles of the same diameter as the ring. I have created these rings using stitch dies from Little Birdie, but if you don't have dies you can also cut it using rounder and your scissors. So first I will join all 5 thick cardstock rings with each other for the dimension to create the shaker element. You can also use cardboard ring if you don't want to add 5 rings. You can just create 1 ring using cardboard. This sheet is having 180 GSM thickness. Now I will connect one piece of golden mirror cardstock. Just fold it in half. And I am making one circle in the center using my hole punch. Now first connect this on top of this. Then I am adding acetate sheet circle. On top of this I am adding golden ring. Now before adding this acetate sheet we need to add our shaker elements. So I am adding some micro bead pearls, some sequences and some shimmer powder. Just tap it and add glue around the ring and connect your acetate sheet circle. Then on top of this I am adding this golden ring. So the transparent shaker ornament is ready. Now I will decorate it. So for the decoration I am taking half strip of red color and making one twisted leaf shape. Like this. Now I am joining all 8 petals. For the center I am adding half cut pearl. Now to create the leaf, first I am making 4 loops in increasing order. In the same way I have created 2 more loops. So I will join all 3 loops together. And wrap the remaining strip around this. In the same way I have created one more leaf, and also I have created some small scrolls. Now I am taking these silver cutouts. These are made using snowflake dies, but you can also find snowflake stickers very easily from any craft store. So now I am decorating it using my quilling designs and these snowflakes. I'm also using this Merry Christmas sentiment. And to hang this ornament I am using golden color ribbon, just passing it through this hole. So the ornament is ready. Isn't it very pretty and easy to create? Now for the second ornament, first I am making a quick sketch of the cute snowman using my marker and watercolors. Now I will fussy cut this. So after fussy cutting, it will look like this. Now this time I am taking oval shape dies. So we need one plain oval, one acetate sheet oval, 2 silver cardstock ring ovals and some white cardstock ring ovals. For this again I have used little birdie oval dies. So first I am connecting all cardstock oval rings with each other. Again I am taking one small piece of silver mirror cardstock and making a hanging. Now on top of this I am adding the silver ring, then I will add the acetate sheet oval. Then again I am adding silver oval ring. Now this time I am not making it transparent, so I will create the base for this. So I am taking this white color cardstock oval shape and just distressing it using my distress inks. Here I am using light blue and dark blue colors for the background. You can also color the background using watercolors or pencil colors. Now I'm just sprinkling some water on top of this and just soaking it using tissue paper. So you can see the magic. The stars have been created. This is the magic of distressing. Now I am adding some sequences, again some sparkle dust and micro bead pearls inside the shaker before adding my background. Just tap it, and first I am connecting this snowman on the base. And now I will connect the background on top of this. So the shaker is ready. Now to decorate this, I am making one more quilling flower. For this I am taking half strip of pink color and making one semicircle. In the same way, I will join one more semicircle with this and wrapping this whole petal using blue color strip. Now I will join all 7 petals, and for the center I will use half cut pearl. I have also created leaves and scrolls as before. Now this time I am taking golden color snowflake dies and I am decorating my shaker. adding this small sentiment joy. Now this time I am using pink color ribbon to hang this. So this is done. So both the shaker Christmas ornaments are ready. Are they looking attractive? And these are really easy to create. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.